So, my real accent is... So my real accent's Scottish. No, it's not. No, my real accent's Cockney. No, it's not. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, so my real accent is Dempshire, my darling. It's Dempshire. I'm a Janner. I'm from down the south. That's what it is. No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm from Birmingham. I'm from Birmingham. No, I'm a Brumey. No, you're not. You're from Yorkshire. Don't lie. What are you doing? Like, you can't keep doing this to people, like coming in with accents and saying that you're from this place and that place. Well, you're not, you know. But I am from Jamaica, you know. Me learn my Jamaican accent from a white girl, so I'm a Jamaican girl now. Don't be coming at me being rude now. No, actually... I've just got to come clean, haven't I? I've just got to do it. So actually, my real accent is New Zealand. I'm a Kiwi. I'm from Taranaki. I'm from the Neki, and you know that's just my real accent. Bloody hell, Sarah! What are you doing? I don't even know why she's doing this. Like, she's Australian. I feel like I'm having some sort of schizophrenic episode. It's like, no, you're from Wales, you're from Rhyl, you were living in Bettycoed, and then you was living in Rhyl, and now you got to admit to everyone that you're from Wales. That's what it is. You are not, don't even lie. You are from the South. You are from West Virginia. I don't even know why you're doing this. You look like a total psychopath. You're having some sort of episode where you're trying to tell everybody where you're from. Well, I think you're like 1 million different people to 1 million different people. You hear? I don't know quite how to actually admit it, but I'm from Durban and I'm from South Africa. So like I've got, yeah, it's Durban is my natural accent. Afrikaans, South Africa accent. Bru, you know, like I didn't want to admit it, but you know, like that's what I'm doing. Aber eigentlich nein, ich bin Deutsch. So I'm really a German person. That's it. That's what it is. I didn't want to say it was no. Sie sind Deutsch. Nein, bin ich nicht Deutsch. Ich bin nicht Deutsch. I am from France. I am a French person, you know. I like to play with this a little bit, you know, to have, you know, this accent. But okay, like I've just gotta come clean, and I'm American. It is what it is, you know, like my real accent is American. Or is it? I'm sorry, everybody.